In this video, I will demonstrate how to install our pypixxlib Python API for VPixx Products in a third-party developer environment for Python. In this example, I'm using Spider, which is available through Anaconda or Miniconda, but the same general principle should apply to other IDEs like PyCharm. So to start, we'll open a new console inside the developer, and we're going to type pypixxlib. By the way, I'm going to include all of the commands that I use in this video in the comments below if you'd like to copy paste them. So we'll type pypixxlib, and then we're going to include the path to our pypixxlib file. If you're on Windows, the file path should look something like this: Windows, Program Files, VPixx Technologies, Software Tools, pypixxlib. The library itself is a .tar.gz file, and the version number is included in the file name. So in this case, I'm installing pypixxlib version 1.7.0. And the nice thing you can do is just click on the file and drag and drop it into the console, and it will give you the entire path to the file. We're going to change the single quotations to double quotations. Now, if you're updating pypixxlib and you have a previous version installed, you can also include the upgrade argument, which ensures that you're getting the most recent version of the package. So now we're going to hit enter, and this will take a few moments. Great, so we can see that we've successfully installed pypixxlib 1.7.0. Now we're going to follow the recommendation and restart the kernel just to make sure the package is installed. Now we're going to check and make sure that it's installed properly. So we'll use the pypshow command followed by pypixxlib to get the most recent information about the package. So here we can see we have version 1.7.0, and we also have the location of the package where it's been installed, in this case in the Spider environment under Site Packages. We're also going to do a quick test of a command from the library to make sure that it's working properly. So we'll do from pypixxlib, the libdpx class, import DPxOpen. This is a general command for establishing a connection to our hardware. So the import works successfully, and now if we call DPxOpen, it should execute without an error. Perfect. So that's how you install pypixxlib Python API for VPixx Products in a third-party developer environment.